HVAC system tune-ups. Your HVAC system works tirelessly to keep you comfortable, so it deserves regular care. Change your air filters every 1 to 3 months to ensure optimal performance and air quality. Dirty filters force your system to work harder, leading to higher energy bills and potential breakdowns. Professional maintenance is key to extending the lifespan of your HVAC system. Schedule a tune-up twice a year, once before summer and once before winter. Technicians will inspect your system for leaks, clean the coils, and ensure all components are running smoothly. This preventive care can catch small issues before they escalate into costly repairs. Don't forget about your thermostat. Consider upgrading to a programmable or smart thermostat to maintain consistent temperatures while saving energy. These devices allow you to adjust settings remotely and learn your habits, optimizing comfort and efficiency. Keeping the area around your HVAC unit clear of debris, plants, and dirt ensures proper airflow. A well-maintained HVAC system not only keeps you cozy but also protects your home from mold and humidity issues caused by poor ventilation.